Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can easily chain/comments together in Claude AI. Okay, so first we gotta, of course, launch our Claude AI and select the Co-Work option. So I've already got a short reference file opened, co-business idea reference. That is a txt file. It's just a few lines describing the business that I'm using for this demo. So I'm not typing about a paragraph of context every single time. Basically, the thing is that we want to, slash the chain comments such as strategy, business plan, etc., and that's the thing that I'm about to show you how you can easily do that. Okay, so first let me show you the business idea reference that I have that will be used throughout the demo. You can take a look. Okay, and now we gotta do the strategy first, and I'm about to enter my first prompt. So let me only find it, prompts. Okay. So that's the strategy. Enter that, the first prompt. Okay, and it has been generated. I should take a look. Now, if it's already generated, we gotta enter our second prompt. So now paste that will be our business model. Everything will be chained. Okay, I should take a look. Everything has been successfully chained. The business model has been created thanks to the Claude. Now let's keep going. Now it's the pricing, the third thing. So now we gotta enter the third prompt. We gotta keep waiting until the Claude generates everything. Okay. And now we got a tied pricing that actually matches the business model, not pricing pulled out of thin air. So now we can simply turn this into an actual launch plan. And now we gotta enter the last prompt. So let's do it. Click on enter. Okay, that's our all responses. Everything has been easily chained together. And everything has worked. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.